If you want to subscribe to the live screen sharing room on DAX and watch every day the live trades I do on time during the market hours, the first hour of cash trading and then US session, and why I'm taking these trades, you can go on my Twitter page here at this name and click this on the pinned tweet here, this link which will prompt you to a PayPal subscription service which is have a small description here, and the first 2 days is free, then you can have free cancellation if you wish so, and then it's just 19 euros a month. So if you click login here, then this will prompt you to a subscription details, and then you will need to let me know about this so I can send you the password, and so you can be able to log in every day and watch the live screen sharing. Or you can just go to my YouTube channel here, which I upload every day the video after what happened after the European cash market closes, and this is the link here of the everyday recording after the market closes. So this is just free, you can feel free to go here and just watch this. Okay, hello everyone, so let's see what we got today. We opened inside yesterday's range again and failed so far to take out the high and to touch value area high of yesterday. So we need to see if we once again break out and go gradually higher here with this low volume trending manner, which every pullback is getting absorbed then new high, or if we will go below yesterday's value area high here, balance here, and then we tag 11,100 here, 11,100 here, which is the midpoint of yesterday, then perhaps balance a little bit lower. So price held support so far here at initial balance low, open and retested. Now we need to see what we'll do, and if it goes up to 200, yesterday's high here. Initiated a short position here for a potential breakdown of initial balance low. Price failed up to the highs here, so let's see if it blips below initial balance low. Of course this acted as support earlier, now we need to see if it will break out of the short here. Support clearly. Now we need to see if it takes out yesterday's high for a pop out higher. Initiated a long position for a potential breakout of yesterday's high. The fact that it held support so clearly here, it's a good level trade against perhaps. So let's see if it managed to go further upside now. Very small, just inside initial balance, still haven't broken out yet. Again, seems like the same behavior, slightly grinding higher here. Scale out first target, need to see if we flash above 200 here and take out yesterday's high, then perhaps if it holds and go further up. Slow open at the moment. Out of the long position now, seems resistance. Perhaps now this can go all the way down, not sure to be honest. This is like just ranging within a 20 points initial balance range. Just support here once again. Initiated a short position here in anticipation that this will flash lower and go inside yesterday's value area, although perhaps this is not another absorption here and then we see another rally. The fact that it failed here is nice resistance, but again with this market not sure to be honest. It's breaking down at least. Out of the short here, no reason to hold something which is holding so many minutes. Let's see, let's give it some time now. Not sure if we'll trade it unless we see any kind of pickup in momentum, which doesn't seems unlikely. But again, support here. Initiated a short position now against the midpoint of initial balance and VWAP here. So if price continues to balance here, I will be stopped out. Otherwise, this will target 11,100 here. Out of the short here, once again, support, very short price action, and then do not trend at all. So let's see if once again we go sideways, then we grind higher. Okay, we just tagged here slightly yesterday value area high the same happened yesterday and then we bounced like 200 points. Let's see if the same will happen today or if we will just balance lower towards 11,100 here. This is very slow price action here, although held resistance and failed at yesterday's high. So not sure which direction, what kind of manner this will trade. It's very slow. Okay, so as a day's range, this perhaps most likely not be as small as it is at the moment, so perhaps this can expand, not sure which side though. It's not easy to trade a market that just fails to extend either side. For example, went up here, failed to go higher, went here, got absorbed, again failed to go higher, again absorbed, now slightly lower. Perhaps this can go again like this, especially now we held support at yesterday's value area high. Not sure how this can be. Best there is to avoid trading something like this unless you are happy shorting here and having a stop 20-30 points above for a move lower. Perhaps not sure how you identify your risk, but with my style of trading this is not the ideal market conditions. Okay, here we are once again today. As said earlier, for the day before that failed to extend below yesterday's value area low. Same happened today, got long here in anticipation this can hold and then tag yesterday's high, scale out here and here. Now waiting for the third target to see if we spike further upside. Here initiated the short position here after seeing this rejection up to 200. Now need to see if we manage to go towards volume weighted average price. Of course, every little pullback is getting bought all the time. This hasn't changed as of now. So again, seeing some resistance here at 200. Let's see if this short will develop down towards midpoint of initial balance area and VWAP here at the time. Out of the short position here, we'll go long against this initial balance low area here. Nice support for a new high now we're aiming. So fail to extend. This is very difficult to trade towards this downside. Every little pullback, even 10 points, will be bought and then just grind higher. So let's see if this is a good support area here at 94s. Looking at the tick here, some underlying strength here, SPY new all-time highs. So DAX got absorbed here at initial balance high again. Now remains to be seen how far up this can extend. Scale out the first target here from the long from 201 here. Need to see how far up. Looking at the 5 minutes here, you can see after we entered yesterday's value area high, immediately reversed, then straight up here, then pullback on the news here, support, now support at the initial balance high, then breakout of these weights here and now trending higher. Need to see by how far. Small range so far does not extend much, but seems like another support area here again getting absorbed unless this changes slightly. So on the other hand, we have resistance at yesterday high retest here, so still long here for a potential downside. Need to see initial balance high here if it holds, which held earlier. Scale out here, second target of the trade. The rest remain to be seen how much higher this can go. Held support here at initial balance high. This flash down was good trading opportunity for another long entry. So this is the type of manner the market trades at the moment. Slowly every pullback is getting absorbed, then a little bit higher, then expanding further upside. So let's see by how far. If you would like to talk about a stat here, statistic measure, is that if you extend from the first hour of cash trading range is high 40 points, the 40% basically of the average exhaustion here, this level has 86% chances to get hit sometime during the day. of course if price is above the first hour of cast trading high. So let's see if it goes up to this 238, 240 level. Flatter my position here, perhaps early, seems this is trending higher, no reason to any major pullback. Nice entry here at 200, scale out 230s here. So need to see how far up this will go. Okay, so here we got a couple of minutes until the European cash closed just at the top exit, flatten the position here very nicely. Now pull back 30 points in a few minutes. Also nice trades today here, this short and then long, scale out twice, then failed to, basically held for further upside and got stopped out here for a small profit here since the entry. Then price just traded higher, nice support here at initial balance high, triggered long trade here, then gradually higher. This is what market is doing at the whole week basically. So you can see entered value area, failed to go below and then grinded higher. See the weekly here, massive upside like 7% and more for DAX on a weekly basis, straight up here.